Howdy there, my friend, and welcome back for another Tiny More Tuesday. I hope you didn't miss me too much. This week, we are looking at a super hot solo once again, this time off of a really cool set of archival tapes that I recently discovered here on YouTube. A lot of you out there probably know about this, but Merle Haggard had a birthday party at his house back in 1971 in Bakersfield, and actually did kind of a session with a reunion group of the Texas Playboys with Bob Wills in the studio as well. I would highly suggest going to check out this video, link in the cards up here. So this solo is one that's played over a pretty standard tune in Western swing and actually bluegrass music too, called Don't Let Your Deal Go Down. It's just a circle of fifths chord progression, so this is a really cool one to kind of work out a lot of stock vocabulary that can then be placed in the context of other tunes, just because this chord progression is so standard. Disclaimer on this one, I'm playing this about 20 beats per minute slower than Tiny actually pulls it off on the recording himself. He is absolutely on fire on these tracks, and I can't keep up with him. So yeah, you win, Tiny. Also, before we go ahead and dive into the breakdown, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel and liking this video, that's a great way to keep more Tiny More content and other E-Mando goodies headed your way. Also, for some sheet music and tablature to this lesson, go ahead and check out HayesGriffin.com. There are lots of other cool lessons and Tiny More Tuesdays there too, so take a look around the website whenever you get there. Alright folks, let's go ahead and dive into the breakdown on this one. We'll see you next week.